Imagine this. You sit down, ready to watch your favorite show or finish an assignment, but your Wi-Fi just disappears. No networks, no connection, no internet. Sounds frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. This Wi-Fi driver problem is one of the most common issues Windows 10 users face, and today I'll show you how to fix it in just a few minutes. The issue usually happens when the Wi-Fi driver gets corrupted, outdated, or even disabled. You'll see errors like no Wi-Fi networks found or Wi-Fi option missing completely, but don't panic. I'm going to walk you step by step through the most effective fixes. First, make sure Wi-Fi is actually enabled. On your keyboard, press FN plus Wi-Fi key, usually F2, F3, or F12 depending on your laptop. Still not working? Then let's move to driver fixes. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Find your Wi-Fi driver, usually Intel, Realtek, or Qualcomm. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for drivers. This will let Windows check for updates online. If updating didn't help, uninstall and reinstall the driver. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall Device, and confirm. Don't worry, when you restart your PC, Windows 10 will reinstall the driver automatically. Sometimes Windows can't find the best driver. In that case, go to your laptop brand's website, like Dell, HP, Lenovo, or Asus, and search for the exact Wi-Fi driver for Windows 10. Download and install it manually. This often fixes stubborn issues. Still no luck? Time for a full network reset. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Status, Network Reset, click Reset and restart your PC. This clears out all old settings and reinstalls network drivers fresh. And that's it. By updating, reinstalling, or resetting your Wi-Fi drivers, you can get your internet back in minutes. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and comment below with your laptop model. We'll make a guide just for you.